Welcome in this video, and in this one I'm going to share with you a strategy that Yannis started to grow his Instagram followers. And this strategy is going in Facebook groups and posting a specific post. And you will see what I'm talking about. So if you go here, I have it already made, by the way. So you can put something like this. Now it is Christmas here, or almost Christmas. So we put something like this. The message is something like this, like, hey, we all want to start the new year with new followers, so let's support one another with a holiday follow train. Smile face 3. Follow me at Motivator Guide and I will follow you back. Comment with your Instagram link. Follow at least 3 people on this thread. Thread is, the comments and all of these things that happen below the post. And 4, now, no follow, unfollow intentions, real interactions only. Happy follow days, and the link of Yannis's Instagram account. So this is basically what you want to share, because with this message, then the interactions or the comments below the post, you will get some, comments, likes, because people also want to be followed, even if they are on Facebook, whatever group they are. Like, for example, in this one, there are authors and book lovers discussion group. It is just a random group. But people in general want to be followed. And for example, in these groups, authors and book lovers, authors, of course, they want to be followed, and book lovers, maybe they want to be followed also. People just want to be followed, so just put this thing out. And just to show you a little bit of how Yannis did it and what were the results, if we go here, Yannis about a week ago shared this, which is exactly what I shared with you. And also he put a photo over here. You can also put a photo, something that attracts attention. And look what happened below. Followed. Another guy put his Instagram here. Another guy. So different people put their Instagram right here. So yes, you see there is engagement that happens. So you want to do that, and then because of the comments and likes also on the comments, this post goes up in the visibility of the group. So if you have many comments, this is a strategy, also a smart strategy for Facebook. I know that